Thunderstorm watch is in effect for RM of Great Bend including Radisson and Borden, RM of Laird including Waldheim, Hepburn and Laird, RM of Rosthern including Rosthern, Hague and Carleton, RM of Eagle Creek including Lully and Sunningdale, RM of Corman Park including Markensville, Warman and Langham, RM of Purdue including Purdue and Kinley, RM of Vanscoy including Delisle, Asquith and Vanscoy, RM of Aberdeen including Aberdeen, RM of Grant including Vaughan de Prudhomme and Smuts and RM of Blucher including Allen, Clavet, Bradwell and Elstow. 13h28 HNC le mercredi 22 juin 2022, une veille d'orage violent heure normale de l'est en vigueur pour MR de Great Bend incluant Radisson et Borden, MR de Laird incluant Waldheim, Hepburn et Laird, MR de Rosthern incluant Rosthern et Carleton, MR d'Eagle Creek incluant Veroli et Sunningdale, MR de Corman Park incluant Martensville, Warman et Lingham, MR de Perdue incluant Perdue et Kinley, MR de Vanscoy incluant Delisle, Asquith et Vanscoy, MR d'Aberdeen incluant Aberdeen, MR de Grant incluant Vaughan de Prudhomme et Smuts, MR de Blucher incluant Allen, Clavet, Bradwell et Elstow.